The Kids Show. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to discover some amazing birds. Are you ready to meet our feathered friends? Eagle. Our first bird friend is the magnificent eagle. Eagles are known for their sharp eyesight and powerful wings. They soar high in the sky, hunting for prey with incredible precision. Parrot. Now, let's meet the talkative parrot. Parrots come in vibrant colors like red, green, and blue. They're excellent mimics and love to repeat words and phrases. Peacock. It's a magnificent peacock. Peacocks have iridescent feathers that they fan out to attract mates. They're symbols of beauty and grace. Owl. It's the nocturnal owl. Owls are wise and mysterious birds with big, round eyes. They hunt for prey at night and are known for their silent flight. Flamingo. Look at the elegant flamingo. Flamingos have long, slender legs and pink feathers. They live in groups called flocks and are often seen wading in shallow waters. Penguin. Next up, we have the playful penguin. Penguins may not fly like other birds, but they're excellent swimmers. They waddle on land and glide gracefully underwater. Duck. Here comes the friendly duck. Ducks have webbed feet and waterproof feathers. They love swimming in ponds and waddling on land. Hen. Here's the caring hen. Hens are wonderful mothers who take care of their chicks with love and affection. They're known for their gentle plucking and nurturing nature. Hummingbird. Our next bird is the charming hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny but mighty. They can hover in midair and flap their wings incredibly fast. Toucan. Let's meet our next bird friend, the colorful toucan. Toucans have vibrant beaks and love to eat fruits. They live in tropical forests and make loud calls to communicate with each other. Now you learned about birds, let's repeat it again. Eagle. Parrot. Peacock. Owl. Flamingo. Penguin. Duck. Hen. Hummingbird. Toucan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe channel for more videos.